Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another video for you. This is where we talk about hair, business, skincare, and everything in between. Are you ready for crazy hair growth? I'll be telling you something super exciting today. How to make your hair grow like crazy and keep it from falling out. I'll be revealing 3 powerful ingredients that can transform your hair health, plus an amazing hair treatment recipe that you can easily make at home. So let's dive in. But first, if you're new here, welcome to the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more wonderful videos. So, what are these magical ingredients that can boost hair growth and reduce hair fall? Our next ingredient is fenugreek. These tiny seeds are packed with big punch when it comes to hair growth. Fenugreek seeds are rich in nicotinic acids, which is known to promote hair growth and reduce hair thinning. They contain a high level of protein and iron, essential for strong, healthy, shiny hair. Fenugreek helps to balance hormones, which can be crucial in reducing hair fall related to hormonal issues, which means you can also ingest it if you choose to. But it does have a slight bitter taste. Yes, I've tasted. We have onion juice. It might not smell great, but it's a powerhouse for hair growth, and here is why. Onion juice is very rich in sulfur, which helps to promote collagen production. Collagen boosts the production of healthy skin cells and hair growth, and you need this, especially if you want beautiful, luscious, long hair. It has antimicrobial properties that help fight scalp infection and dandruff, creating a healthy environment for more hair growth. And the antioxidants in onion juice helps to prevent premature graying and protect the hair from damage. You definitely can use those benefits if you want to grow long hair. Our last but not least ingredient is coconut oil, a favorite in hair care for its numerous benefits. I know some naturals have sensitivity to coconut oil, but one thing for sure is measurement is key. Coconut oil is excellent for deep conditioning, especially if you're experiencing hair fall, hair loss, and thinning, because it penetrates deep into the hair shaft, providing intense moisture, reducing protein loss, making it perfect for damaged hair. It strengthens the hair and prevents hair fall by reducing the breakage and split ends. Its antimicrobial and antifungal properties keep the scalp healthy, preventing dandruff and other scalp issues. So let's go straight into the recipe. You'll need 1 medium onion, 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. And here's how you'll make it. Prepare the fenugreek seeds. Soak them in water overnight. In the morning, grind them into a fine paste. Extract the onion juice by peeling and grating the onion, and then strain it using a cheesecloth or a strainer. In a bowl, mix the fenugreek paste, onion juice, and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil until you get a smooth consistency. Take this hair mask, part your hair into sections, and apply the mixture directly to your scalp in your dry hair. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes for best results. Cover your hair with a shower cap or sit under a hooded dryer, or just leave it on for an hour or 2 if you're at home. That will help the ingredients to penetrate deeply. Next, you'll rinse your hair thoroughly with lukewarm water and then follow with your shampoo and your conditioner. That's it. There you have it. A powerful treatment recipe using onion juice, fenugreek seeds, and coconut oil. Use this treatment once a week, every 2 weeks, or once a month, depending on your hair. And you'll be on your way to achieving crazy hair growth, preventing hair fall. Thanks for watching, and as always, maintain your natural beauty and just keep loving your curls.